Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about some of the free tools that we've put together on the website. And I'm going to go ahead and say from the start, there is a link down below in the description, or at least there should be, of a link to the site. This is my website, a1trading.com. You can see it up here in the top. And what I'm going to show you guys is some of the tools that we have available on the site. Now, don't be surprised if this page looks different or any of these pages look different by the time that you use this, because we are constantly working to improve the website. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through some of the tools that we have here on the website that are completely for free. You can go check them out yourself. And today we're going to specifically start with looking at the COT Reports section on the website. Now, to get here, you just go to Market Analysis tab, and you can see that there's a COT Reports section right here. You just click that, and you'll be taken to this page. Now, the cool thing about this page is COT Reports, in case you are not familiar with them, are basically a way to track what institutional money is doing, because they are legally, I believe this is done in the United States, they are legally required to kind of disclose their positions. Now, this is going to be a lot to look at first, but I'm going to explain it to you as simply as I possibly can. Now, the black line is basically the big one to look at here. The black line is the net non-commercial positions, and that's basically your institutional money, okay? And so what you'll see here is that in the red, you've got the weekly close price, okay? So this is just a rough cut version of Euro USD. We can see what Euro USD has been up to in the red line, and we can see what the smart money has been doing in the black line. One thing to mention that I just think is really cool from the start here is we can see that smart money during this time when Euro USD had been going down was actually being picked up by institutional money. You can see that it's slowly chugging up before a spike in Euro USD to the upside. Just interesting information. I personally keep an eye on these COT reports on a regular basis. That's why I put it on the website, and I decided to just make it free for everyone. All you do is go to a1trading.com. You can go to the market analysis section. We've got tons of stuff here for you. We're going to go through some of the other things to look at as well, but we're just starting with the COT reports. So again, you've got GBP USD, you've got Euro USD, you've got a bunch of other ones here that are again free on the website for you to go check out and to use in your own trading. So one way, just a brief example of how I might use this is if I know that institutional money has been building a long position, then I'm probably going to be more interested in taking longs myself rather than taking shorts. Basically, that keeps me in line with the institutional money and possibly against the retail traders. Which brings me to my next section here. If we go to the market analysis tab here again, if we go to the Forex Heatmap section, this is really cool. These are all tools that I've put here on the website, again, for free for you guys to go check out. And I want you to make sure you can bookmark this page, you can bookmark the website so that you can keep coming back, because again, we've got tons of free stuff, just like we do here on YouTube. Free stuff, free value for you guys to go use as traders. I know there's a million things to look at when you're trying to learn and you're trying to improve as a trader. So these tools and kind of analysis will hopefully help you in the right direction. So what you can see here is we've got a ton of different currencies, and this is showing us in the percent tab. If I click percent here, it shows us all the biggest and smallest and most positive, most negative moving currency pairs, as well as other charts. So what we can see here is, for example, if we were to look at gold, you can see that gold is up 2% for the week. You can see that silver is up almost 4% for the week, and you can see the biggest daily movers, right? For example, we've got dollar Canadian moving down by 0.7%, pretty significant, and this will show you, if you're looking for it, some of the biggest movers for you to trade however you like to trade, whether it's short term or longer term. Now, the other cool thing that I'm going to mention is this community outlook here from myfxbook.com. Really cool tool. You can see that it tells you what retail money is doing. Now, a lot of times this is the community trend, meaning it's pulled from their users, and you can see that Euro USD, 80% of people are short. Now, if we go back to that other page that we were just at, remember that institutional money was very heavily getting long. So this is kind of an interesting thing, because we see a divergence between the two, and that's really, really interesting and can create some really good opportunities in the markets. We've got things like pound dollar, dollar yen, pound yen, dollar Canadian, euro Aussie, all these different charts for you to go check out and see for yourself. Again, tons of stuff. We've got some articles here, and one more thing, if we go to the trade ideas section, we're going to be improving this either ways, probably adding some more things to it, but either ways, I highly recommend that you come over here, sign up for our free newsletter, again, completely free, just stuff being sent to you if you like that in email format by some of our team. Some really, really good stuff coming that way, trade ideas, insights, all sorts of stuff. So make sure that you are on that email list. That would be a really great place to start. And then you've also got different ideas coming out here on our stream of articles being written by our analysts here at A1 Trading. So highly, highly encourage you to go check those out, see for yourself, sign up for our newsletter, all that sort of stuff. Again, all free for you guys to use without any sort of payment. Some other things, the market hours tab is really helpful. This is a tool that I really like. Basically tells me what markets are active right now. So you can see that the Asian market is closed, the European market is closed at the time of making this. It's afternoon here in the US. So the US is open, but it's going to be closing in there. You can see about 3 hours from now. And the Asian session will be starting in about 3 hours from now as well. So just interesting insight. This is really helpful to me to know what kind of time frame I should be trading in terms of looking for highest volatility or low volatility. Just can be a useful tool to look at. And the final one there in this tab is going to be your overnight swaps. This is interesting just because if you do hold swaps, you can get some information. Now this is just from one, I believe this is Duca's Copy is the broker that I got this from, but it's just a free tool that they provided and I've just thrown on the website. But it'll give you some insight on different currency pairs and the overnight long or short, as well as a definition that you can go read for yourself there on the website. So again, also I would encourage you while you're on the website, check out some of the other things that we do have. If you're interested in our trading community, you can go check it out for yourself. See if you would like to join us. We have a big chat room full of people, full of staff members looking to make it the best group. Highly encourage that you go check that out, as well as maybe even go see some of the brokers that we have available and have partnered with to give some good opportunities to people who are interested in signing up with them. And finally, before we go, if you have any questions, feel free to go contact us here on the support page. You can get in contact with some of my employees. You can talk with some of our staff members. We're happy to help and ready to help to answer trading questions. If you have questions about risk management, strategies, whatever, you can go contact one of our analysts, or you can contact our support reps, which we will help with any other things. If you have questions about the tools or are interested in our online community, whatever, we are there to help. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful and informative. And again, lots of free stuff on the website. Go check it out. Go use it. Bookmark it however you see fit. A1trading.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you back in the next video.